I'm here in Arizona with 8 of my 10 siblings, and we're gonna make some breakfast together. Here we have Meg making more batter for the pancakes. You're doing great. Ceci's making grits.
I need butter, melted butter. Yes.
Ammon's shredding the cheese.
After making the whipping cream.
After making the whipping cream. Manti's our pancake roller. She hates it. She hates her job.
What are you doing with all this?
Don't film this, Jake.
Chicken's doing the butter.
Now butter?
I have butter.
And it's pre-made.
No butter.
Nice. Jess cut up all the fruit, but PJ and Vanna, they're keeping the kids occupied with a card game. Oh! Shelby's playing with the little ones.
Yes.
We're having a pepper break. Cheers. Spicy. Here's our southern gal, Ceci. She's making grits. Ate Ray Ray cleaning her chicken eggs from her chickens. Okay. Giving us a review.
Really good fresh milk cream. Iron, brown sugar. It's great.
Delicious. Success.